Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a listing on Amazon. This is a quick and easy process and it's essential if you want to start selling your products on Amazon. Step number 1. Create an Amazon seller account. The first step is to create an Amazon seller account. You can do this by going to Seller Central and clicking on the Create Account button. You'll need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and business information. Step number 2. Add your products. Once you have an Amazon seller account, you can start adding your products. To do this, go to the Inventory tab and click on Add a Product button. You'll need to provide some information about your products such as the product name, description, and price. Step number 3. Create a product listing. Product listing is the most important part of Amazon listing. This is where you'll tell potential customers about your product and why they should buy it. The product listing should include the following: a clear and concise product title, high quality product images, a detailed product description, relevant keywords, and pricing information. Step number 4. Optimize your listing. Once you have created your product listing, you need to optimize it so that it shows up high in the search results. This means using the right keywords and phrases in your product title, description, and other areas of the listing. Step number 5. Launch listing. Once you are happy with your product listing, you can launch it. This means making it available for purchase on Amazon. Creating a listing on Amazon is a simple process, but it's important to do it right. By following the steps in this video, you can create a listing that will help you sell more products on Amazon. I have several how-to videos on topics like how to use high-quality product images, how to write a detailed product description, how to use relevant keywords throughout your listing, how to price your products competitively, how to promote your listing on social media. If you're ready to start selling on Amazon, I encourage you to create a listing today. It's a great way to reach a large audience of potential customers. Thanks for watching my video. If you found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and for more content like this, subscribe to my channel. See you next time.